Is your AI strategy costing you 40% more than it should? Fragmented AI systems are silently draining enterprise resources with longer development cycles, higher maintenance costs, and missed competitive opportunities. Here's the framework that changes everything. I'm dougortiz, top 18 PostgreSQL expert and LinkedIn top voice. Today, I'm breaking down LangChain, the comprehensive AI framework that's helping enterprises cut development time by 60% and reduce maintenance costs by 45%. Here's the problem most enterprises face. You're building custom integrations for every LLM provider: OpenAI, Anthropic, Cohere, Google. Each one requires separate connectors, separate maintenance, separate headaches. The result? 6-month development cycles, 100K plus annual maintenance costs, and complete provider lock-in. You're at their mercy for pricing, availability, and performance. LangChain's comprehensive ecosystem solves this fragmentation with pre-built components and templates. Instead of building from scratch, you're assembling proven solutions. Companies using LangChain report 60% faster application development. What takes months now takes weeks. This isn't just speed, it's competitive advantage in a market that rewards first movers. With 90,000 plus GitHub stars, LangChain offers battle-tested components that eliminate the need for custom solutions. You're not building something that might work, you're deploying something that already works across thousands of production environments. Enterprise clients report 45% reduction in ongoing maintenance costs. That's real money back to your bottom line. Here's where LangChain becomes a strategic asset. The abstraction layer lets you switch LLM providers with minimal code changes. Locked into one provider, you're vulnerable to price hikes, service outages, and performance issues. With LangChain, companies optimize costs by 30% through provider arbitrage, switching to the best provider for each use case without rewriting your application. Retrieval augmented generation is the foundation of enterprise AI applications. LangChain's RAG components include vector database integrations, document loaders, and retrieval strategies that work out of the box. Production deployments show 85% reduction in RAG implementation time. You're not building retrieval systems, you're connecting to your business data and delivering value immediately. The implications are clear: reduced implementation risk, faster time to market, and the flexibility to adapt as the AI landscape evolves. LangChain isn't just a technical framework, it's a strategic platform that positions your enterprise for AI success with the lowest total cost of ownership. Evaluate your current AI initiatives. Are you building custom integrations? Struggling with provider lock-in? Facing long development cycles? LangChain addresses these challenges head-on. Let's connect and discuss how a unified AI strategy can transform your business outcomes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights on enterprise AI strategy and implementation. Your move.